It's time for another Memgraph community call on May 8th at 9 a.m. BST, 12 p.m. EST, 5 p.m. BST, and 6 p.m. CEST. We love how Memgraph community calls have become a synonym for knowledge share. This time, we have Martin Vo, the CTO of Paysure Solutions, joining us and offering insights into how they use Memgraph for their real-time payments authorization system. Martin has been a part of Memgraph's community for a while now, and he's a former astrophysicist and data scientist turned full-stack developer. He and his team have decided to use Memgraph for their real-time authorization system because of fast and reliable responses. However, their journey with Memgraph wasn't without challenges, and we'll hear all about them at this community call. What problems did they face, and how did they overcome those obstacles? I hope this intrigued you, and register at the link below, and see you there.